Elon Musk has just unleashed a real UFO, and it's not from a galaxy far, far away. It can be found right here on Earth. But wait, it's more than just Elon's celestial creation drawing attention. Consider an intercontinental battle with hypersonic speed demons, laser-welding fighters, and a European sensation known as the Tempest. Welcome back to another exciting video. Today's video is about Elon Musk just launched a real UFO. Before we start the video, please like, subscribe, and press the bell icon. Is a new era of aerial warfare on the horizon? Will Musk's UFO triumph, or will the International Alliance take the spotlight? Join us on an interplanetary voyage as we uncover the mysteries of Elon's UFO and witness a high-flying conflict that defies aerial supremacy. Elon Musk, the visionary behind SpaceX, has created something that even the United States government cannot ignore. He's gone and constructed a real-life UFO right in front of their eyes. Elon, being the mad scientist he is, spent a fortune and several years working with his SpaceX dream team to create the X-1, the future spaceship. This lousy guy can reach hypersonic speeds of 4,600 miles per hour while sipping fuel like a cosmic smoothie. What's more intriguing is its classified engine, which was once designated for space shuttles but has now been repurposed to drive the X-1 to unprecedented heights. What makes this UFO on steroids so unique? Aside from being speedier than your morning coffee fix, it also has a microwave system that can mess with gadgets and people. Have you ever heard of a UFO packing that much power? I didn't believe so. But here's the catch. This spaceship is almost invisible. It has advanced camouflage, making it appear like a cloud traveling across the sky. Consider the Pentagon's surprise when they thought they were tracking a UFO only to discover it was Elon's cosmic speedster in operation. So, why the secrecy? Elon, it turns out, kept the authorities in the dark about the entire UFO incident. When the Pentagon eventually learned about it, a Cold War erupted faster than you could say space oddity and sent fighter jets on a wild chase. The United States House of Representatives needs to send Elon love notes more precisely, and they're getting in trouble with him. Let's chat about technology. This space beast, which we'll call X-1 for short, is powered by a miniature space shuttle engine. Do you recognize the engine that powers SpaceX's Hawk hypersonic missile? That one, for sure. The X-1's fuel consumption was decreased by 30% after a makeover. While the F-35 is still figuring out its GPS, the X-1 is zipping to its target, blowing it up, and simply strolling back home without stopping. Hold onto your space helmets, for the X-1's astounding microwave technology resembles something out of a science fiction film. Consider electromagnetic vibrations at millimeter wavelengths. To the opponent, it looks like a laser show. Full power has the capability of melting out an enemy aircraft or causing such havoc with electronics that a fighter plane becomes metallic trash. When you point that lousy boy at someone, the top layer of skin absorbs 83% of the energy. It's as if you've been dipped in molten metal. But here's the rub. The Pentagon and Elon must disagree on how to deploy it. While it can potentially be a game changer for the US military, they are not entirely on the same page. In a recent interview with Business Insider, Musk responded to a daring assertion by journalist Matthias Defner, who hailed Musk as a strategic weapon in modern warfare. Musk didn't back down from the compliment, saying, "I think I can really be useful in conflicts, especially with his UFO in the mix." He appears to be walking the walk now. Let's see what the UFO can do. Consider this, it isn't only about going quickly and using expensive microwaves. This spacecraft can also move around in the skies like a ninja. SpaceX's clever engineers used some fantastic ways to create a unique cover. It not only bounces off radar wavelengths, but it also confuses our eyes. People on the ground will have no idea they are witnessing something that has the potential to transform the world. But hold on, there's more. The X-1, as we're calling it unofficially, has a vertical leap that would make Michael Jordan envy. This beast can soar to 105,000 feet using an engine direct from a space launcher. In context, it's greater than your grandmother's expectations and much above the pay grade of any air defense system. The SR-71 Blackbird may have reached those altitudes, but it lacked the assault capabilities of the X-1. Launching a supersonic missile attack is the only way to bring down this flying marvel. This is where the F-35 Lightning II and F-22 Raptor come into play. However, and this is huge, they are outpaced in a fair battle. The X-1 tops at 7,500 kilometers per hour, leaving the F-35 in the dust at 1,200 miles per hour. But wait to dismiss the F-35 and F-22. These fighter jets are equipped with AM-120 hypersonic missiles capable of reaching Mach 4, or 3,100 miles per hour. It's not X-1 speed, but here's the catch. These jets can only maintain their speed for a half hour. Not to mention the elite pilots at the controls, ready to outwit any SpaceX recruit. The true cosmic issue, however, is one of altitude. The X-1 is a stratospheric game with a ceiling more significant than your wildest thoughts. The F-22 Raptor has a range of 72,200 feet, however, it is still playing catch-up. Things get dicey when you throw in a microwave weapon. When the heat is turned up, the F-22, created for stunning maneuvers, might dance out of danger. Despite Elon Musk's celestial wonders, it appears in the US. The military has some tricks up its sleeve. And they're not scared to act them out. The X-1, Elon Musk's hypersonic marvel, may be turning heads, but let us not forget the giants who paved the way. The Lord of the Sky, Lockheed Martin, has built legends such as the F-35 Lightning II and the stealthy F-117 Nighthawk. Who can forget the SR-71 Blackbird fighter plane of Usain Bolt? The SR-71, with its revolutionary hull design, flew at a mind-boggling 2,000 miles per hour, proving that speed demons could defy aerodynamic laws. But it came at a high cost. Temperatures can reach 750 degrees Fahrenheit. Despite the heat, the aerospace engineers did not stop developing. We must remember the Dark Star, the stuff of aerospace fantasies. While it hasn't been formally revealed, let's name it the Dark Star. Consider Mach 6, or 4,300 miles per hour, using a combined cycle engine. By zooming past buildings, this infant can cause structural damage. The creators, on the other hand, chose to raise the stakes. Never one to back down from a challenge, Northrop Grumman included the Firestrike 2, a robust laser system that sounds like it belongs in a sci-fi movie. This tiny powerhouse turns ultraviolet energy into infrared radiation, which it directs at enemy vehicles, heating them to thousands of degrees. Nothing is safe from the intense heat, transforming them into fireworks displays. But wait, there's more twist in this high-flying thriller. With its unrivaled speed and laser display, the Dark Star glides over enemy bases, destroying critical targets with a single precision shot. It's analogous to a cutting-edge aerial assassin, making a fair fight appear impossible. Is there one? Meet the enigmatic 6th-generation warrior in the NGAD program. A true marvel, capable of speeds exceeding 1,800 miles per hour and reaching heights of 15 miles. It's like a superhero flying across the skies. Thanks for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content.